Hello everyone, this is Fatel Lohar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communications at Engineering College Alawar. Lecture 11 is prepared for radar and TV engineering for 8th semester EC student. Okay. In this lecture, we will going to discuss about the chrominance modulations. In last lecture, we have discussed chrominance signals. Okay. How to generate the chrominance signals from the RGB colors. Okay, so we have discussed the generation of the chrominance signal R minus y and b minus y. Okay, this is the chrominance signals. So in this section we will discuss the chrominance modulations. Okay, so basically in this modulation we use the quadrature modulation schemes. In quadrature schemes, basically the bandwidth will be same for both signals, but both signal have the phase difference 90 degree. Okay, so you say a single carrier, this is the single carrier, and this is M modulator 1 and this is M modulator 2. Okay, the M modulator 1 is for the B minus y signal, and M modulator 2 for R minus y signal. But the carrier frequency in that case for modulator 1 is 0 degree phase difference, but in case of the modulator 2 the carrier frequency is 90 degree phase shifted. Okay, so modulation of color difference signal is known as chrominance modulations. Once carrier frequency, that is the color subcarrier, is used for the transmitting R minus y and B minus y signals simultaneously. This is done by quadrature modulations. Carrier frequency used for the carrying for B minus y signals is given a phase shift of 90 degree, and the new carrier frequency generated is used for the carrying R minus y signal. These two carrier frequency are used to be quadrature, hence the name quadrature modulations. Okay, the meaning of quadrature modulation means the single carrier frequency we can send simultaneously two signals with 90 degree phase shifting. So both signals have the same bandwidth in that case. Okay, the two output are combined to produce the resultant chrominance signal C. Okay, so first signal is B minus phi and second signal R minus phi. Okay, the amplitude C represents the magnitude of color difference signal, and its phase angle theta represent hue of the color. Any instantaneous value of amplitude of C represent color saturation at the instant, and instantaneous value of phase angle theta represent color saturation at that instance. Amplitude of C range from 0 to 1, and phase angle range from 0 to 360 degree. Okay, you can see in this plot there are the two signals R minus y and B minus y, and separated 90 degree phase shifting. Okay, and this is the equivalent of the color signals R minus y and B minus y, CU equivalent. So according to the chrominance modulation, the C equal to R minus y square plus B minus y square, and in that case theta equal to tan inverse R minus y divided by B minus y. Okay, chrominance signal C for different color. So how to generate 7 colors using this chrominance signals? So it depend on the every color depend the equivalent C value and theta. Different theta and different C value generate different colors. The amplitude and phase of the chrominance signal for different color can be calculated. For this, we have to express R minus y and B minus y signal in term of the RGB voltage. We know that the y equal to 0.59 G plus 0.3 R plus 0.11 B. So R minus y equal to R minus 0.59 G plus 0.2 R and plus 0.11 B. So 0.7 R minus 0.59. In that case, this R minus y equal to this equation, and similarly for B minus y equal to 0.89 B minus 0.59 G minus 0.3 R. Now, if the pure blue color is being scanned by the camera tube, then the value of R minus Y and B minus Y is given as a pure blue color. In this case, we put the R minus Y. We have to put G equal to R equal to 0 and G equal to 0. Then the equivalent value for blue color is minus 0.11, and same for the B minus Y equal to 0.89. So we can calculate for blue color R equal to Z equal to 0 and B equal to 1, and that case the C equal to equivalent 0.9 and theta equal to tan inverse minus 0.11 divided by 0.89. Okay, this case for the pure blue color. Similarly, for other colors such as red color, so how to calculate red color? The putting the value similar for R minus Y equal to 0.7 and B minus Y equal to minus 0.03. In that case, the equivalent C 0.76 and theta equal to tan inverse minus 0.7 by 0.3. Okay, and similar for magenta. In case of magenta, we add the red plus blue and we put the green equal to 0. So we can put in this equation R minus Y equal to 0.7 R and 0.59 and 0.11 B. In that case, 0.7 R equal to 1 and other G and B, G equal to 0 and R equal to B equal to 1. So R minus Y equal to 0.59. Similarly for B minus Y 0.59. So we can calculate C equal to 0.89 and theta equal to tan inverse 1. Okay, so using this equation, Chromium equation, we can calculate the different colors. Okay, so in TV signal we have to send combination signal we have to send on the single carrier. Okay, B minus Y and R minus Y. Other signal also we have to send luminance signal Y. We have already discussed in previous lectures. So three color signal we have to send for TV transmissions: B minus Y and R minus Y and plus Y signal. Okay, so this B minus Y and R minus Y generate the colors, but Y signal basically luminance signal and is support for the monochrome TV receiver signal. Okay,